Hello everyone. This video teaches you how to start, debug, and break in the car after receiving it. After receiving the car, we open the packaging, take out the tires and accessories. This is the car body, front tire, rear wing and fixing pin, charger, tire wrench, instruction manual and stickers, radar, part, remote control. Take out the tire wrench from the toolkit, install the tire onto the car body. Take out the tire nuts. Insert the drive shaft into the wheel hub hexagon correspondingly. Nut should surface facing inwards. Tighten with the tire wrench clockwise. The installation method for the rear tire is the same. Start installing the rear wing. Stick on the rear wing sticker before mounting. Take out the rear wing fixing pin and R-type pin. These are the adjustment pieces used to adjust the rear wheel angle. Adjusting pieces are not needed for now. Insert the two fixing pins into the rear wing fixing holes. Insert into the car body rear wing fixing seat. Insert the R-type pin. Apply the headlight stickers. These are the stickers that come with the vehicle. Paste them on the car shell according to your own preferences. This is a USB charger. This end is a USB port. Insert this end into the charging port. Insert the USB port into the phone charger head to charge. The charging process light blinks. The light automatically turns off after the battery is fully charged. This is a car toolkit. This is a cross wrench and hexagon wrench. This is a spark plug socket, used for removing and installing spark plugs. This is a multi-function wrench, used for repairing shock absorbers and various components. Please carefully read the instruction manual before starting the vehicle. There is a detailed introduction in the manual. This is a radar part. It has the mixing ratio on it. This is a remote control. Requires for AA batteries to be installed. Turn on the remote control before playing with the car. Then turn on the car power. This is the steering. These are the throttle and brake. If you finish playing with the car, you need to press the red button on the engine. Turn off the engine. Then turn off the vehicle's power. Finally, turn off the remote control. The ratio of gasoline to oil. The ratio bottle has the ratio marked on it. The braking is done at a ratio of 25:1. 25 parts gasoline to 1 part oil. Add the oil to this ratio bottle. Add to the 1 liter mark here. Add gasoline to the large bottle. Add to the 1 liter mark here. Close the cap tightly and shake well to mix thoroughly. Then add it to the fuel tank. Step-by-step fuel mixing demo. We first add 1 liter of gasoline. Add gasoline to the 1 liter mark. Open the cap and add FG grade to stroke oil into the small chamber up to the 1 hour mark. Secure the cap. And shake vigorously to ensure complete mixing. This is the remote control switch. This is the steering wheel. This is the throttle, brake. Please read the remote control manual carefully for details. The remote control parameters have been adjusted before leaving the factory. Open the fuel tank cap. Now start adding mixed gasoline to the car. Add it until it's close to level with the fuel tank opening. It's about half of the bottle, around 500 milliliters. And tighten the fuel cap securely. Press the oil pump on the carburetor to start pumping. When fuel appears in the yellow return line, priming is complete. First, turn on the remote control. Turn on the vehicle power switch. After turning on the power, test control remote steering, throttle, brake to ensure they're working properly. This red button is the engine kill switch. This is the idle speed screw. This is the low speed needle. This is the high speed needle. This is the fuel pump. This is the throttle lever. Now we start the engine. The engine has been test run at the factory. Pull the choke lever downward vertical to close the choke. The throttle is now in the closed position. Pull the hand puller 1 to 2 times. When you hear a pop or sputter from the engine, return the choke lever to the horizontal open position. Pull the starter cord again, the engine should start. The car is then started braking with 1.5 tanks of fuel, when the second tank of fuel is half full. In the slow braking on the ground. During the braking, please turn off the vehicle power and remote control power. Braking every 10 minutes or so. Turn on the remote control and vehicle power. Apply medium throttle repeatedly to expel exhaust residue. Now start the engine braking. Turn off the vehicle power. Turn off the remote control power. Now brake in for 10 minutes. Turn on the remote control power. Turn on the vehicle power. Lift the rear wheels off the ground. Apply medium throttle repeatedly to expel exhaust residue. Repeat this every 10 minutes. After the first tank of oil break-in is completed, start filling the second tank of oil. When the second tank break-in is left with half a tank of oil, find a suitable ground and do a slow break-in. Fill the fuel tank. Tighten the fuel tank cap. When restarting the engine, because the engine is still hot, the throttle doesn't need to be switched. You can stop the engine directly. Every 10 minutes, open the throttle to expel exhaust. Turn on the remote control. Turn on the vehicle power. Lift the rear wheels. Repeatedly add fuel to expel exhaust. After there's half a tank of fuel left, start the slow braking on the ground. Slowly run the throttle. Control the steering. Feel for the steering touch. After the break-in with half a tank of fuel is done, first, turn off the engine, then turn off the vehicle power. Finally, turn off the remote control. When we start the car, the steps are exactly the opposite. First, turn on the remote control, then turn on the vehicle power. Finally, start the engine. Try not to play in sandy or dusty area. Otherwise, the air filter sponge will get sand and dust. After each play, it is recommended to clean the air filter sponge, dry it and apply air filter oil. You can also buy an air filter dust cup to prevent dust from entering. After playing, check if any of the vehicle's part screws are loose. If they are loose, tighten them immediately. Thank you for watching.